Hey, what's up guys? Just a quick video. I just got done changing the oil on the Focus RS. So just gonna do a real quick video on showing you guys how to reset your oil life on the car. So when you get in the car, I'm just going to press the start button, and I'm not gonna actually start the vehicle, so my foot is not on the clutch. Just gonna hit the start button, let the power come on. The car is gonna beep at me like we're in a freaking spaceship, because you know it hates having the hood open and the door open and all this crap. So I'm gonna close the door so it's not beeping at us anymore. Then I'm gonna scroll through all my active messages. I'm not sure if you have to do this, but I just scroll through them all, let it know like, yeah, I understand that all of it's there. And then I'm gonna take, see if I can get this here, I'm gonna take my foot on the brake pedal and on the gas pedal. I'm just gonna push them down. And we're gonna wait. Waiting. I'm gonna see. All right, there we go. Now you can see it says service oil in progress. My phone focused a little bit there with this light, which is not that good. Anyway, it's saying service oil reset in progress. Once that disappears, bam, I've reset the oil life on the car. Hope this helps somebody. You know, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Catch y'all later.